Hello, welcome to another video. This is part 3 of my Elves Falath Evo bike build. Today I'm just going to be attaching the derailleurs and routing the shift cable housing. Okay, I'm actually going to start at the rear end of the bike and feed the shift cable housing up through and to the handlebars. Well, at least where the handlebars will be once they're attached. So for the first part with the provided cable guide, I'm just going to pull that through and out the bottom bracket opening for now. And then we're just going to feed the shift cable housing down. And then we're going to pop that out the same area just for a minute. Alright, so we're going to attach that to the provided cable guide with some masking tape and then pull it the rest of the way through. Push that back in. Alright, so with the cable fed mostly through, let's attach the rear derailleur and get an idea of how long we need this back end to be. So we are going to put a little grease on the rear derailleur attachment bolt. Alright, good to go. We're not going to tighten that down right now. It's not that important yet. Alright, I think that looks like a reasonable bend, so we'll leave it there and cut the other end of the cable so that we could use the rest as the front shift housing. Alright, just to play it safe, we'll leave a little extra on the end here so we know we have enough room at the handlebars to route through and then attach to the shifters. In fact, we'll just make it match this brake cable housing. Alright, so for the front derailleur cable housing, we're actually going to remove the pre-installed front derailleur cable stopper and then route the housing from the handlebar area down and up to the sole. We use the same method of a little masking tape at the end of that guide cable and pull this through. We'll just leave this here for now. We don't want the stopper installed without any pressure on the other end of the housing or else it can just fall out. Alright, so let's install the front derailleur now, and I've already put a little grease on this bolt. Just need to All right, that should be good to go for now. That's it for today's video. Just stay tuned until probably after Thanksgiving when I get a chance to film something else, and I'll be routing the cable housings and hydraulic hoses through the handlebars and then attaching the handlebars. All right, thanks for watching.